Let's break down the US national debt. Think of it as America's giant credit card bill. When the government spends more than it collects in taxes, it borrows the rest, and that borrowing has now piled up to about $38 trillion. That's more than our entire economy produces in a year. If you split the debt among every American, each person would owe over $100,000. The debt has exploded in recent years, up $5 trillion in just 2 years. This isn't a slow leak. It's a flood. Why does it matter? Because this debt isn't just a number. It's a massive obligation with real consequences. It's the elephant in the room, the ticking time bomb under the table. Pick your favorite metaphor. Understanding this number is the first step to figuring out how we got here and what it means for all of us. The debt is now growing faster than ever, and ignoring it won't make it go away. So, let's dig into how we racked up this bill, who we owe, and what it means for our future. Buckle up. How did we get here? It wasn't one bad decision, but a series of them. COVID-19 relief added trillions to the debt, necessary but costly. Then came tax cuts that didn't pay for themselves, slashing government income while spending kept rising. The biggest drivers? Social Security and Medicare, programs that grow automatically as more people retire and healthcare costs soar. Politicians have avoided tough choices, kicking the can down the road. And now, rising interest rates mean we're paying over $1 trillion a year just on interest, more than on national defense. We're borrowing money just to pay the interest on what we already owe. It's a vicious cycle and it's speeding up. The debt isn't just growing, it's snowballing. And the longer we wait, the harder it gets to stop. Who do we owe all this money to? Mostly, ourselves. About 2/3 of the debt is held by American investors, pension funds, and even the Social Security and Medicare trust funds. So, the government is borrowing from your future retirement to pay today's bills. Foreign countries hold a big chunk too. Japan, the UK, and China are the top holders. This gives them some leverage, but no single country can pull the plug. The Federal Reserve also owns a large share. The bottom line, our creditors are a mix of Americans, government programs, and foreign nations. If confidence in our ability to pay ever falters, the fallout could hit retirees, investors, and the global economy all at once. It's a delicate balance. The debt isn't just a number, it's a web connecting all of us, and if it snaps, everyone feels it. How do we fix this? Economists agree, we need to cut spending, raise taxes, or both. But in Washington, those ideas are political poison. Some hope a tech boom, like AI, will magically grow us out of debt, but that's wishful thinking. Others pitch wild ideas, from selling gold card visas to creating a Department of Government Efficiency led by Elon Musk. These gimmicks make headlines but don't solve the real problem. Our spending outpaces our income, and interest costs are exploding. Moody's has already downgraded U.S. debt, citing political gridlock. Every real solution involves sacrifice, but politicians keep dodging the hard choices. Meanwhile, the debt keeps growing. The experts are sounding the alarm, but the circus continues. This isn't just a problem for politicians, it affects all of us. Over $1 trillion a year in interest means less money for roads, schools, and healthcare. The government's ability to respond to future crises is shrinking. To fix the debt, taxes may go up and programs like Social Security could face cuts. Government borrowing also drives up interest rates, making mortgages and loans more expensive for everyone. If the world loses faith in the US dollar, we could see inflation and global instability. The debt crisis threatens our economy, our future, and the next generation's opportunities. This isn't abstract, it's personal. The choices we make now will shape the country we leave behind. The bill is coming due, and we all have to pay.